Oh no! Oh! Oh my! Ooh. Alright guys, we got the Outcast out here. Nice. Oh no no! Oh man. Oh. Oh. Ready? Whoa, no. That was brutal. Man, almost landing on a pile of rocks right there. Oh my gosh. That was crazy, guys. Well, how is this truck keep going? Oh my gosh, that was brutal. God. Outcast taking a brutal hit out here. That was nuts. Oh man. Oh my god. Huh. Nice. I have a Punisher tires on it right now. I actually like these tires on this car. It's a little bit bigger, as you can see. I think it suits the car nicely. Oh no. It went sideways. Oh no, that's a rump shaver. Where'd it go? Oh, on its dome. Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that was terrible, guys. That almost tagged me. Oh man. Alright guys, we're gonna end it on a high note. See how the Outcast is doing. She's flying good out here, that's for sure. Like I was saying earlier, I'm really liking this Punisher tires on it. Let's look at the chassis. Chassis seems pretty good. It's pretty dirty out here. It's a little muddy in some areas. So let's check out the inside. Alright guys, let's turn it off. By the way, I am using an aftermarket fan on here. This is an 8.4 volt. I think it's a Hobby Star fan. That's why it's cranking up a lot of air on it, on the ESC. So I'm really liking that fan. It's a little noisy, but again, you're getting a lot of airflow. As far as I can tell, the Outcast is doing alright. I don't see any breakages that I can tell. Let's look at the back. Looks pretty good to me, as you can see. And yeah, there you have it guys. I just recently added this Vitavon front knuckles on here just to prevent the pillables from popping out. I did have some pillable popping out on some of my other Arrma vehicles, so I went ahead and upgraded that right there. As far as I can tell guys, the Outcast is doing great. It's a little dirty like I said, because it rained, I think it was yesterday, but so far so good. Big shout out to M2C Racing for all the upgrades that I have on here, as well as Arthur from Vitavon for the upgrades that I'm running here as well. I appreciate that. So there you have it guys, that's gonna do it for the Outcast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you